Evaluate summation and starts from 0 to infinity n cube upon n factorial. First of all, we know the expansion of e to the power x, which is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 upon 4 factorial and plus so on up to infinity. First step, we'll try to differentiate this expression. So differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x is equal to differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of x is 1. X square differentiation is 2x upon 2 factorial as it is, plus differentiation of x cube is 3x square upon 3 factorial, plus differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4x cube upon 4 factorial, plus so on. In the next step, multiplying both sides by x, so we get x into e to the power x is equal to x plus 2x square upon 2 factorial plus 3x cube upon 3 factorial plus 4x power 4 upon 4 factorial plus so on. Again, differentiating this expression with respect to x, we get, using product rule on the left hand side, uv dash is equal to u dash v plus v dash u. It becomes differentiation of x is 1 e to the power x as it is plus x as it is. Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x, which is equal to differentiation of x is 1 plus 2 upon 2 factorial as it is into differentiation of x square is 2x plus 3 upon 3 factorial as it is. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus 4 upon 4 factorial as it is. Differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4x cube plus so on. And it becomes e to the power x plus x into e to the power x is equal to 1 plus 4x upon 2 factorial plus 9x square upon 3 factorial plus 16x cube upon 4 factorial plus so on. Now multiplying both sides again by x, we get x into e to the power x plus x square e to the power x equal to 1 into x is x plus 4x square upon 2 factorial plus 9x cube upon 3 factorial plus 16x to the power 4 upon 4 factorial plus so on up to infinity. Now again, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we'll differentiate these two terms on LHS. So we get e to the power x plus x into e to the power x plus 2x e to the power x plus x square e to the power x using the product rule equal to differentiation of x is 1 4 upon 2 factorial as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x plus 9 upon 3 factorial as it is. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus 16 upon 4 factorial. Differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4x cube and so on. And this finally becomes e to the power x plus x e power x plus 2x e power x plus x square e power x equal to 1 plus 2 cube upon 2 factorial into x plus 3 cube upon 3 factorial into x square plus 4 cube upon 4 factorial into x cube and so on. Now put x equal to 1. We get e plus 2e plus e equal to 1 cube upon 1 factorial plus 2 cube upon 2 factorial plus 3 cube upon 3 factorial plus 4 cube upon 4 factorial plus so on. Left hand side becomes 5e equal to, and this whole expression on the right hand side can be written as summation n starts from 0 to infinity n cube upon n factorial. That means 5e is the required answer of the expression.